Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a beautiful butterfly. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two small, cute eyes. Then, add a smiling mouth to make the butterfly look happy. Next, draw the round head and the long little body. Now, add two curly antennae on top of the head. Then draw the big wings on both sides. Make the top wings large and rounded. After that, draw the smaller wings at the bottom. Don't forget to add circles and cute patterns on the wings. You can also draw some flowers and grass around the butterfly. Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the body yellow or orange. Color the top wings with purple and pink. Use blue for the bottom wings. You can also add a little shading to make the butterfly look more lively. Add colorful flowers to make the picture brighter and more fun. And done! Your beautiful butterfly is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!